What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me on these analysis. We're going to be looking at BlackRock today. So this is a great company that you could add to a dividend portfolio, a nice, well-balanced portfolio. If you want to get a nice 2% dividend with some strong growth, as you can see from about January 2016, we've ran up to a high of 330%, and we're currently up 260%. So that's not bad, especially when you're talking about you're getting a 2.2% dividend. This is a perfect blend between dividends and growth. Very, very reliable company. You can look at the history. This company's practically just gone vertical up to the right the entire time. So definitely a good buy. Not financial advice. The technicals actually look very good. We've had this uptrend. You can kind of count this. We didn't get any touches off of here, but we don't want to pull it too tight into this zone here. But we'll start it from here. It's been respecting this zone since December 2018. We've had 1, 2 major touches, 3, 4 major touches. We almost got a touch here. I don't know if we'll make it all the way down, but this is looking very bullish. We got a strong bounce off of that level here. You could probably draw out a nice horizontal level right here. As you can see, we got a nice zone here that this might have been giving it that bounce and that trampoline effect. And it's probably going to actually break all-time highs and push up higher, in my opinion. Looks very good. And when you pull a fib on this small leg, it was actually just a pullback to the 0.5 to the 618, which is a very bullish sign to the upside, looking super good. And we're going to pull it back further. And same thing, we got to bounce off the 0.5 even on a larger time frame. So this thing looks amazing, and we're going to pull it down even further. And when you pull it further, it's a perfect bounce off the 382. So these are just straight bullish indicators, bullish signs. This thing looks very good, in my opinion. SMAs, you got to bounce off the 20-month and the 50-month. Super strong in confluence with this horizontal level of support and resistance. This thing is very powerful. On the weekly, we do have a little bit of resistance above our head. We have the 20 coming downward, and we are meeting the 50 currently. Remember, it's a lagging indicator, so this move right here is currently happening. So what's probably going to end up happening is you'll see something that looks similar to this, where this blue line is going to curl down, and it's going to start curling right back up with the 50. It's going to start playing and dancing with the 50 and pushing back up. So it's probably going to cross in a bearish direction and then turn right back and cross in a bullish direction very soon after, in my opinion. Of course, it's a weekly, so it takes time to play out. But overall, this is very bullish. I like it a lot. On the weekly, we did make it down to the green Bollinger Band. We don't spend too much time at the outer bands. So this thing's probably going to ramp up to the red band and hopefully hug it on the way upward. And on the monthly Bollinger Band, we got to bounce off the mid band, the blue band, and we wicked extremely hard to the upside. On the monthly RSI, we reached overbought territory, and now we're pushing back down. But this thing can start curling back up at any moment. On the weekly, we're looking very bullish. Potentially got a bottom. We're creating higher highs and higher lows, reaching the point where we're running into this moving average here. Let's see if we hit it and break through, or we get a bounce to the downside. Hopefully we break through and get a bounce on top of it and push up higher. And on the MACD, on the weekly, it looks like we're starting to get that curl, and you see the bearish volume start to deplete little by little, and eventually we'll start seeing some green candles, and the blue line will cross above the orange line in the upward direction. Here on the MACD, we're still in bullish territory. We're above the dotted line, but the green bullish volume has died down. Let's see if it starts ramping up, and then we can start seeing the blue line start to push back up. But overall, this is looking like a very good addition to a long-term portfolio, dividend based with some growth in it. Solid company. They're making strides as a company overall. Not financial advice, but I think this could have been a great opportunity. It's probably still a buy when you look at it in 5 years anyways, but not financial advice, of course. Like and subscribe if you guys like content like this. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.